The final thing we need to do is just to create a crank handle so that we can turn it. I'm going to put my crank handle on my small gear. You can put yours on either one. If you put on the large gear, you're creating a 1:2 ratio. If you put on the small gear, you're creating a 2:1 ratio. So basically, we're going to basically put that on there. I'm going to use a construction offset plane, and I'm going to offset it once again by 3.5 millimeters because I'm going to have a washer so that it doesn't rub against the upright. So now I'm basically going to create a crank handle on this particular plane here. I like to use mine with circles. You can do yours whatever shape you really want, but I'm going to use a circle, center point diameter circle. So I'm going to click it onto this particular shape here. I'm going to start with this one here, and I want it to be at least 25. I'm going to go 30 millimeters out. I'm now going to draw another circle down the bottom here, and I'm going to make that maybe, let's just make it 15 millimeters. Now these circles aren't lined up, so let's line them up with the horizontal vertical tool by clicking on that one there and that one there. I'm now going to use some lines just to join this together. So let's just go from here to here, and we'll click tick, and we're going to go from the line from here to here, and we'll click tick. Now you can see that those lines are locked somewhere, so I'm going to undo those. We don't want them locked. To avoid this, let's just turn off our spur gears for the time being and see if that is actually making it better. That black dot meant it was locked, and we don't want it locked yet. So there we go, we've got it from here to here, and just roughly from here to here. Now it's not locking. So now I'm going to make them the same height by using the vertical and horizontal tool here and here to lock those two at the same height. And I'm going to lock this one here and here at the same height as well. I'm now basically going to make it so that those two are from here. I'm going to use the D for dimension tool and make this distance from here to here. Let's just make it 12. And then I'm going to make this one here, dimension from here to here. And I'm going to make that, or we'll make that 40. Let's see if that fits with the base. Yep, that fits with the base. Now we've got a dimension from here to here. And once we've done that, we'll make that 6. Once we've done that, we've got it locked in place. I'm going to use the T tool to trim this bit here and this bit there. You get some warnings down here, just ignore those for the time being. The final thing I'm going to do is turn on my spur gears again, and I'm going to use the P to project, and I'm going to project this line, this line, this line, and this line, and I'm going to press OK over here. I'm now going to press Stop Sketch. I'm going to press Modify, and click on that one there, and bring it out 12. I now have my crank handle.